Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, we the students of Zeal College of Engineering and Research from Robotics and Automation branch, we are presenting our PBL activity project. The topic of our project is Arduino based smart dustbin. This is guided by Professor Maknikar sir and our teammates are Pranali Rokhade, Prerna Sharma, Zain Sheikh, Sridatta Devkar. So, the materials required for our projects are Arduino Uno, UV sensors, 9-volt battery, micro servo motor, connecting pin, dustbin. So, the procedure, how we have made is our project is basically a dustbin, but it is in a smart use. For bringing it in a smart use, we have took Arduino Uno, programmed it and fixed inside the dustbin, connecting it to the 9-volt battery, micro servo motor, UV sensors, which senses the garbage. After all the connections, we have covered the connection by plastic impenetrable sheet to avoid any short circuit. The working, when any kind of garbage is brought close to the UV sensor, in the UV sensor senses the garbage as it has been programmed for that, and the lid of the dustbin opens due to moment of 9G micro servo motor, and hence we can throw the garbage in the dustbin without even touching it. So basically the advantages and disadvantages of our projects are the garbage can be thrown even without touching the dustbin. No need to go closer to the dustbin and it avoids the stinky smell. It the automatic open close lid for ease of use. So disadvantages: if connections comes in contact with water or any other fluid, it can be cause short circuit. Its initial production cost is bit high. For future scope of our project is it can be used in wide range all over the world. It helps us to reduce the pollution. It can be modified and can indicate overflow of the dustbin too. Many times rat or other animals enter the dustbin and spill out all the garbage, but using this we can avoid it all. So the basic conclusion is we can use this as a smartest way and can have a better future ahead. So I hope you like our project. Thank you.